Michigan's tart treasure, a cherry. So nice they named it twice. Have you ever bitten into a juicy cherry, its tartness making your mouth pucker? That's the magic of the tart cherry, and nowhere is it more celebrated than in Michigan. This tiny fruit is a big deal in Michigan. So much so, it's been officially recognized as the state fruit not once, but twice. In 1999, the cherry was designated the state fruit, and then again in 2001, specifically honoring the Montmorency variety. From sprawling orchards to bustling festivals, the tart cherry's presence is felt throughout the state. Join me as we delve into the wonderful world of Michigan's tart cherry, exploring its history, health benefits, and the many ways it's enjoyed.
Tiny but mighty. The health benefits of tart cherries. Don't let their small size fool you. Tart cherries pack a powerful nutritional punch. These little red gems are bursting with antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage. They're also a good source of fiber, which is great for digestion and keeping you feeling full. But the real star of the show is the melatonin found in tart cherries. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate sleep, and tart cherries are one of the few natural food sources of it. Some studies even suggest that tart cherries can help reduce muscle soreness after exercise, and may even have anti-inflammatory properties.
Cherry celebrations, the National Cherry Festival. Every summer, the charming town of Traverse City, Michigan, transforms into a cherry lover's paradise. For 8 glorious days, the National Cherry Festival takes center stage, drawing visitors from far and wide to celebrate all things cherry. Imagine a sea of people, their faces lit up with excitement as they wander through streets lined with cherry-themed decorations. The air is filled with the sweet aroma of cherry pies baking and the sound of live music. From cherry pie eating contests to cherry pit spitting competitions, the festival is a non-stop celebration of this beloved fruit. You can even take a ride on the Cherry Express train or hop aboard a ferry for a scenic tour of the surrounding cherry orchards. The National Cherry Festival isn't just about fun and games, though. It's a testament to the hard work of Michigan's cherry growers and the vital role the cherry industry plays in the state's economy.
A cherry history, from humble beginnings to state icon. The story of the tart cherry in Michigan is a tale of resilience, innovation, and a whole lot of love for this tiny fruit. It all began in the mid-1800s, when the first cherry trees were planted on the shores of Grand Traverse Bay. The region's unique climate, with its cool breezes and proximity to Lake Michigan, proved ideal for cherry cultivation. Word spread quickly about Michigan's exceptional cherries, and soon, orchards were popping up all over the state. The industry faced its share of challenges, from pests and diseases to unpredictable weather. But Michigan's cherry growers, with their unwavering determination, found ways to adapt and thrive. Today, Michigan stands as the nation's leading producer of tart cherries, woven into the very fabric of the state's history and identity.
Section 5. Foraging for flavor. Finding wild cherries in Michigan. For those who love the thrill of the hunt, Michigan offers a unique opportunity: foraging for wild cherries. Imagine yourself strolling through a sun-dappled forest, the air thick with the scent of pine needles and damp earth. As you round a bend, you spot them, clusters of bright red cherries, like tiny jewels hidden among the leaves. Wild cherry trees can be found growing throughout Michigan's forests, along roadsides, and even in some urban areas. Before you grab your basket and head out, it's crucial to properly identify the trees and ensure you're picking from a safe and sustainable source. Once you've gathered your wild cherries, the possibilities are endless. Enjoy them fresh, bake them into pies, or transform them into delicious jams and jellies.
Section 6. Backyard Bounty Tart Cherries for the Homesteader. For those with a green thumb and a love of fresh produce, Growing tart cherries at home can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Imagine stepping into your backyard and plucking plump, juicy cherries straight from the tree. Tart cherry trees, while not as compact as some fruit trees, can still thrive in a backyard setting with proper care and attention. They prefer well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, and they'll reward your efforts with an abundance of delicious fruit. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food came from and how it was grown. Whether you're a seasoned homesteader or just starting your backyard gardening journey, consider adding a tart cherry tree to your landscape.
Section 7. Sustainable Sweetness State Support for Cherry Growers. Michigan takes pride in its tart cherry industry, and the state is committed to supporting its growth and sustainability. Through research initiatives, educational programs, and financial assistance, Michigan is helping cherry growers implement environmentally friendly practices that protect the land and ensure a vibrant future for the industry. One of the key areas of focus is promoting regenerative agriculture practices, which prioritize soil health, water conservation, and biodiversity. These practices not only benefit the environment, but also lead to healthier trees and higher quality fruit. Marketing campaigns and industry partnerships help raise awareness of the exceptional quality and flavor of Michigan tart cherries, supporting local economies.
Section 8. To plant or not to plant. The joys and challenges of homegrown cherries. Growing your own tart cherries can be a delightful experience, but it's essential to go in with a realistic understanding of both the joys and challenges involved. On the plus side, there's nothing quite like biting into a cherry you've grown yourself. The flavor is unmatched, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food came from. However, tart cherry trees do require a bit of patience and care. They can be susceptible to pests and diseases, and they need regular pruning and maintenance to thrive. If you're up for the challenge, though, the rewards of homegrown cherries are well worth the effort.
Section 9. Preserving the harvest. From fresh to frozen and beyond. Once you've harvested your bounty of tart cherries, the question becomes how to preserve all that deliciousness. Luckily, there are countless ways to enjoy tart cherries long after the fresh fruit is gone. Freezing is a popular and convenient option that preserves the flavor and nutrients of the cherries. Simply pit the cherries, spread them out on a baking sheet to freeze individually, and then transfer them to freezer-safe bags or containers. For a taste of summer in the colder months, try making tart cherry jam, preserves, or chutney. These sweet and tangy treats are perfect for spreading on toast, topping yogurt, or adding a burst of flavor to cheese boards. However you choose to preserve them, tart cherries are a versatile and delicious fruit that can be enjoyed year-round. Section 10. Tart Cherry Temptations. Recipes to delight every palate. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the tangy goodness of tart cherries. These versatile fruits lend themselves to a wide array of culinary creations, from sweet to savory and everything in between. For a classic treat that's sure to please a crowd, try your hand at a traditional tart cherry pie. The combination of buttery crust, tart cherry filling, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream is simply irresistible. If you're short on time, tart cherry cobbler is a quick and easy alternative that's equally delicious. For a healthier breakfast or snack option, whip up a batch of tart cherry muffins or scones. Tart cherries pair beautifully with pork, duck, and game meats, adding a touch of sweetness and acidity to balance out richer flavors. Now let's make a classic tart cherry pie. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 4 cups tart cherries, 1 1/4 cups sugar, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, 1 double pie crust, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon water. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine the cherries, sugar, cornstarch, and almond extract in a bowl. Line a pie dish with 1 crust and fill with the cherry mixture. Dot with butter, cover with the top crust, and crimp the edges. Brush with the egg yolk mixed with water. Bake for 45 minutes or until the crust is golden and the filling is bubbly. Enjoy your delicious tart cherry pie.